Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Future Executives online classes. I am your English teacher and today we will read unit number 2 Traveling Together Around the Sun. The planet moves around the sun and our earth is one of those planets and it moves around the sun every year. So all the planets travel in their own paths called orbits. Even though they move at different speeds, they stay in space together. So the sun is very important because it gives light and heat to all the planets. Even though they move at different speeds, they stay in space together. So let's begin our reading and explore space together.
Page 18. Read. Traveling together around the sun.
The sun is a star, and it is very important for our planet Earth. It gives us light and heat. However, Earth is not alone. It shares the sun with 7 other planets. Together, these planets revolve around the sun in a solar system. Other bodies travel in this solar system, such as moons, asteroids, and comets. They all move around the sun because the sun's gravity is very strong. Each planet's path around the sun is called an orbit. The planets that are closer to the sun have smaller orbits, so they take less time to go around it. Mercury takes 88 days to complete one orbit. Earth completes one orbit in 365 days or 1 year. Neptune's orbit takes 60,200 days or almost 165 years. Each planet in our solar system is unique. For example, Mercury is the smallest planet. It has lots of craters, just like our moon. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Its diameter is 11 times bigger than Earth's. Saturn has giant rings of matter around it. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Mars is a neighbouring planet, and scientists are learning a lot about it. They send many space probes to Mars. A space probe called Curiosity landed on Mars on August 6, 2012. Curiosity is as big as a car and it moves over the surface of Mars. It recently found rocks that had strange shapes. Running water made these shapes. This is an important discovery. Space probes like Curiosity continue to explore the planets, moons, and other bodies in our solar system. If technology continues to grow, we will travel to these places ourselves. Iron and rock make up most of the 4 smaller inner planets of our solar system. Gas and water make up most of the 4 larger outer planets. This means that you can stand on the surface of Earth, but you can't stand on Saturn. In fact, if you tried to stand on Saturn, you would sink down to the core of the planet. Drawings of our solar system show the planets close to the Sun. However, the distance between the planets and the Sun is very far. For example, it would take 176 years to drive a car from Earth to the Sun. It would take 5,300 years to drive from Neptune to the Sun. Astronomers think that there are many solar systems in our Milky Way galaxy. However, our solar system is special to us. It is our home. The asteroid belt. An asteroid belt runs between the inner and outer planets. Scientists have discovered over 7,000 asteroids there, and there may be millions more. Asteroids travel around the Sun, just like planets. The sister planets. Did you know that Earth and Venus are called sister planets? This is because they are almost the same size, and Venus is the closest planet to Earth. However, Venus is much hotter than Earth, and it is always covered in thick clouds.
I hope you have understood the reading. With practice, your reading and pronunciation will get better. So keep practicing, and thank you so much for watching this video.